Look, she back. Look. What you said about my handcuffs?
I like that handcuff back there.
You like my handcuffs? You want them?
Put it on me and make me
Make you what?
get on my knees and pray to Jesus.
That's what you do with handcuffs? You pray to Jesus?
You want me to make? You want me to put the
But I'm gonna
handcuffs
be
on?
naked. I'm gonna be naked though.
You want me to put the handcuffs on you,
Ooh,
and then what?
and then suck and fuck.
Suck and fuck with the handcuffs on or off?
They can be on.
Wait, first of all, you want the combo? Suck
Yeah.
and fuck, or you just want individual?
I want the combo. Well, I'm gonna put the handcuffs. I'm gonna put the handcuffs on his ass.
Well, how about this guy? How about this guy?
Baby, don't make me throw up.
But
So, little Bobby.